Okay, good evening, everyone. So this is Sujata Datta. So I'll be taking your physics class. I can find few names over here. I am going to teach you ray optics. Okay, ray optics has got, if you can see that in second year portion, ray optics has got 18 marks. From ray optics, you will be getting ray and wave optics, the optics portion, which carries a very, very important part of second year physics. Any doubt, anywhere you get stuck to any particular question, you can put up in the chat message. All of you can do like that, isn't it? You're sharing my screen now. Okay. So all of you can see the screen. Everyone can see the screen. Just quickly tell me ray optics portion before I get into the ray optics. Optics. See the definition of optics. Optics is a branch of physics which deals with the nature, sources, properties, and effect of light. Anything related to light comes under the branch called optics. Now, can anyone tell me this first figure you can find over here? The first figure talks about which phenomena in optics? Anyone? Can anyone tell me which phenomena in optics it talks about? Let's say you can answer. I'm talking about this one, this figure. Yes, very good. Jayanuram, perfect. Yes, definitely. Students are like, if you want, you can just speak to me also, like writing, and you can just speak to me. You can switch on your microphone. Dispersion of light. Very good, Ikra. So this is what actually is the dispersion of light. It is the splitting of light into the seven different colors. We all know now Vibgyor. So you can see, all of you, that the red patch appears at the front. Can you see all? And the violet at the end. So why is it so? All these things are there. So in detail, we'll be learning this thing in ray optics. Today, I will take up just the little bit portion of reflection, refraction, total internal reflection, and hence the formation of mirage. Okay, I'll be talking about these topics today. It's a vast chapter. At the end, I will show you the entire chapter, the slides, which are already prepared. So I will show you, so you will get to know. Now, have a look. What is the thing I have written here? Optics is a branch of physics which deals with the nature, the first one. I'm talking about this one, which deals with the nature, sources, and properties and effect of light. Okay, so optics has got two branches. One is the physical optics. What is physical optics? Physical optics deals with the study of wave-like nature of light and its interaction between light and matter. So basically, physical optics, another name for physical optics is wave optics. Okay, so wave optics deals with the wave-like nature of light. Have you heard about Einstein's photoelectric effect? All of so initially light was considered as wave. Definitely it's a wave. But Einstein in his photoelectric effect showed the phenomena where when the light is incident on a metal surface, okay, then we get electrons coming out. How is that possible? Electrons coming out of the metal surface. Light is a wave. How come we are getting electrons from there? If I write sin I by sin R, angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for the two media. What do you mean by that? It is equals to mu2 by mu1, which can be written as 1 mu2. What is this mu2 and mu1? Mu1 and mu2 are called the refractive indices. Refractive indices of the two media respectively. respectively. So these are the four circuits, Manisha. Think and answer. Don't be in a hurry. Which diode is forward bias and why? This is, check the first one. Minus 2 volt plus 2 volt. So we are giving negative, less voltage to, this is P, this is N. We are giving less voltage to P side and more voltage to N side. So this is reverse bias. Correct? This is reverse bias.